Yesterday, I came to know about a 15-year-old girl. This girl has been locked inside a room by her parents. Her phone has been taken away. She has been stopped from going to the school, talking to her friends, even moving out of the room. And you know the reason behind it? Because that 15-year-old girl has fallen in love for the first time. Fallen in love with a 17-year-old child. She was being tortured and stopped in that way from doing anything of her own because she was said that she has broken her parents' trust. I could not really understand what was the meaning of breaking trust. Is going according to the feelings which starts to originate the moment you are stepping into your adolescence? Is breaking trust? Like, we all have gone to our schools, we all have studied, we all have gained our education, and in spite of that, we feel falling in love when we are in our adolescence is a sin? Is breaking trust? When the child has stepped into her or his adolescence, or something that you call puberty, parents, you must know that they start to they start to grow the interest of feeling attracted towards the opposite sex. This is not a sin. This is not breaking trust. You all have been through. You, your parents, your friends, even your children are going through the same situation. Then if so, what is making you torture your child in that way? Only because she has fallen in love? Oh my God! Falling in love is a blessing of God. We keep praying our God who has shown us the path. And if our child is doing something same, we consider it to be a sin. It is not sin. It is merely going according to the feelings of your body, of your mind. That is what is happening. Nothing else. Please understand not only the feelings of your child, but also the science behind the feelings. Because you are educated. And when you start understanding that, you will never think it is breaking trust or making sin.